Today, I am reviewing the MSI Vector AI Gaming Laptop 16.0-inch. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming laptop for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're looking for a gaming laptop that doesn't just keep up with the competition, but leaves it in the dust, then listen up, because the MSI Vector AI Gaming Laptop is something truly special. Let's begin with the obvious: performance. At the heart of this beast lies the Intel Ultra 9-275HX processor, a true powerhouse built for professionals, hardcore gamers, and content creators alike. With a base clock speed of 2.7 GHz and turbo speeds soaring up to a staggering 5.4 GHz, this 24-core, 24-thread monster doesn't break a sweat, even when you're running demanding games, streaming, rendering, and multitasking all at once. And with 36 megabytes of cache, it's designed to process huge workloads with remarkable speed and efficiency. Paired with that incredible CPU is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 equipped with 12 gigabytes of next-gen DDR5 RAM. This graphics card is built for high-performance gaming, smooth ray tracing, and fully immersive experiences. Whether you're diving into the latest AAA titles or pushing your GPU with VR content, this laptop doesn't just handle it, it thrives under pressure. Plus, with VR readiness built in, you're future-proofed for years to come. Now, performance is only part of the equation. Let's talk about display. This laptop features a stunning 16-inch WUXGA screen with a resolution of 2560 by 1600, offering crystal-clear visuals with incredible sharpness and vibrant color accuracy. But here's what really makes it stand out: the 240 Hz refresh rate. That's buttery smooth motion, especially useful for fast-paced shooters, racing sims, and competitive gaming. Combined with the high resolution, this makes both gameplay and general use feel exceptionally fluid and responsive. When it comes to memory and storage, MSI went all out. We're talking a mind-blowing 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM. That's workstation-level memory, allowing for seamless multitasking, think gaming, streaming, video editing, and running virtual machines simultaneously with zero lag. And for storage, you're getting two 2 terabytes PCIe NVMe SSDs, totaling a massive 4 terabytes. That's more than enough for your entire gaming library, video projects, creative assets, and more, with ultra-fast load times to match. And yes, it's not just what's inside that counts. The MSI Vector AI features an eye-catching Cosmo Gray finish, and the design is sleek yet robust. Despite all the power packed inside, it remains relatively portable at just under 6 pounds, a good balance of power and mobility. The chassis houses a vibrant RGB backlit keyboard, which not only looks great but offers tactile, responsive keys for extended typing and gaming sessions. Connectivity is another strong suit. You're getting Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, the latest standards for wireless speed and stability. It also features 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI, an RJ, 45 Ethernet jack, an SD card reader, and a headphone/microphone combo jack. Basically, you're well covered for both gaming peripherals and professional equipment. Powering all of this is a 330W PSU with a 4-cell 90-wear battery. Not exactly all-day battery life, but perfectly reasonable considering the high-end components. This laptop is built for performance, and most gamers or power users will be plugged in anyway. Out of the box, the MSI Vector runs on Windows 11 Pro, giving you the added security and productivity features tailored to professionals, creators, and power users. You're also getting a 1-year manufacturer warranty from Great Price Tech, and this particular model comes professionally upgraded, so you can be confident the components were installed with care and precision. And there's more. This package includes the DockStorm portable USB hub, a compact but powerful USB port expander with data sync speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. It's a fantastic bonus for those who need more USB connectivity for accessories, drives, or controllers. So, to sum it up, what you're getting here is a high-performance machine built for serious users. Gamers will love the fluid gameplay and cutting-edge visuals. Creators will appreciate the sheer horsepower for rendering and editing. And professionals will enjoy the speed, multitasking ability, and future-ready design. The MSI Vector AI is not just a laptop, it's an investment in performance, speed, and reliability.